installation is 13 meters high and consists of 12 concrete cubes, at the top of which is a life-size sculpture of a man sitting gazing towards the horizon. The interpretation, knowledge and construction draw strength from an intertwining of past, present, and future. Man lives in the present, abandoned to welcome all the stimuli offered by the surrounding environment in harmony with nature. He observes the future in front of him, supported by a column that symbolizes the value and importance of his intellect in history, in search of the laws that regulate